Here are 3 pre-sale gems you need to load up on before the month of May ends. What's going on, guys? I hope you're having a fantastic day, and welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I am your host, Umar Khan, and today we're taking a look at 3 pre-sale gems that have amazing upside potential in a variety of different niches. We're gonna hit them all. We're gonna hit them dog themed tokens. We're gonna hit them Solana themed tokens. We're gonna hit them AR, VR themed tokens. We're gonna get them all. And before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below to reach your 2024 crypto goals. And like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on in the overall crypto market. We're currently sitting at a 56 neutral, which is actually bullish because we were sitting lower at the lower end of neutral yesterday, and now we're slowly creeping back into greed. The overall crypto market is up by 4.69%, with volume up by 4%, which is pretty phenomenal. Bitcoin is back in the $60,000 levels, passing $62,000, which is absolutely insane. I was having a conversation with some friends, and people were like, yo, do you think Bitcoin's gonna go down to 55K, 54K? And I'm surprised it went below 57K, especially now with the United States ETFs, the Hong Kong ETFs, and then again, Australia ETFs loading up. We're going to see the crypto market just absolutely boom and go on a crazy upward trajectory. And I know this is not a Bitcoin video, but this is all related to Bitcoin, or the meme coins. Is if Bitcoin does well, meme coins are gonna go well as well. So here's the thing, okay? So just leaving this here, someone posted this, okay? When the US ETF started right over here, we saw a dip in the market for whatever reason. Then it went absolutely parabolic. Then when the Hong Kong ETFs happened right here, again, same thing, dip in the market. You know, history repeats itself. And if we go live, that's exactly what we saw. We bottom out, and now we're going in an upward direction. We are going to see Bitcoin go long in the uphaul, definitely passing the 6-figure mark this bull run. Now, this is not a Bitcoin video. Let's talk about the 3 pre-sale gems you got to load up on before the end of May. The first coin on this list is Dogeverse, the chain traveling Doge. This project has raised over $13 million, which is absolutely insane. The world's first chain traveling Doge. Doge goes multi-chain. You can buy and claim Dogeverse on the following chains: Ethereum, Binance, Polygon, AVAX, Coinbase or Base, and Solana. The Dogeverse is multi-chain. Dogeverse is the first multi-chain meme token built on a multi-chain network spanning across 6 different exchanges. Welcome to the interconnected universe of the Doge lovers, where community rewards and creative fun coverage. Stake your Dogeverse token on Ethereum to earn passive rewards and increase your bag through the meme season. Yes, you heard that right. Stake is available on this platform. Current APY is 82%. It is dynamic range, however. We saw upwards of 600% early this month, so we can imagine the staking price is going to change. It's been featured on a bunch of different places. It has a multi-bridge utility spanning across 6 different blockchains. The roadmap is solid. They are planning to make this project go to the moon. We have a nice token allocation here. The tokenomics are looking great. Everything in the project is looking solid, especially for the people who love the dog theme tokens. This one could go exponentially wild. Again, $13 million raise is nothing shy. We are probably going to see this pump even more. Next one on this list is a Solana gem, Solana to be exact, and it has like that South Park vibe. Buy Solana before launch. 1 SOL equals 6,900 Solana. And again, SEAL, I should say, very early, less than $200,000 raised. So you can buy now by connecting your wallet. You can also send SOL to this wallet address as well. So about Solana, meet Solana, the chubby seal who is taking a deep dive into the Solana sea, willed at his PC and growing by the day. Solana is absorbed in the degen market and has abandoned his gorgeous figure of his youth for the trader's diet of chips and tinned tuna. His obsession with finding the next big Solana meme coin has keeping his flippers busy and his living room a big fat mess. Solana is here to take over the Solana ecosystem. You can buy now on the website, or you can send your Solana tokens to this wallet address. But if you do send your tokens to this wallet address, guys, be very careful. It has to be from a decentralized exchange, not from a centralized exchange. You'll just lose your Solana. So that being said, again, very solid opportunity, super early. We see on Twitter as well, I think less than 1,000 followers last I checked. Yeah, less than 1,000 followers, but they're growing rapidly fast. Looks like they're doing some community building activities. Again, just getting deep in the meme world. You definitely want to follow up with this project. This project could absolutely go to the moon, and we're going to cover this one closely on the channel, so stay tuned with more updates. Now, the last token on this list, on our top 3 list, again, I want to go more diverse. So we start off with a dog themed token, right? Because the dogs are taking over the meme market, right? Then the Solana themed token, Solana, because Solana tokens are taking over. Now, the last one is a wild card, and that is Fivescape, your gateway to the next big thing of the decade. So now we're mixing AR and VR with the crypto universe. This project is absolutely insane. You can buy tokens now on the website. or the next price is going to be 15%, and the listing price is going to be 1 cent. So again, we're getting at a massive discount. You could buy buy 5skip token now. Currently at this price, they've already raised $5.7 million. And this is cool because it's not your typical token, right? Beyond the boundaries of virtual infinity, they are mixing VR with the crypto world. So if you're a holder of this token, you get to experience some pretty cool VR games like the Cage Conquer, Thrust Hunter, and a bunch of different immersive games looking like almost like AAA titles. We got Epic Cricket Arena, and it's going to be exclusive for the holders, right? Enter the heightened realm of experience. Enter the realm of heightened experience with VR Ultra headset featuring high-rise visuals, ergonomics, comfort, and precision motion tracking. It transforms virtual reality wherever you're gaming and exploring or learning, and the VR Ultra offers unmatched immersion of the versatility of an extraordinary journey. So again, mixing the VR with the crypto world, this could be absolutely massive. The tokenomics are decent as well. 80% to pre-sale, 10% to liquidity, and 10% to the treasury. Very solid. Again, they're participating in amazing events. So again, they're IRL, right? And this was a game expo in Delhi, India. And you gotta imagine the population in India is absolutely massive. So many people are going to be exposed this early. This one could be absolutely insane. The CEO is doxed, the team is doxed, which is again just more solid things to see. So this is my top 3 list for pre-sales this May. Let me know what you think about the list in the comment section below, and if you're gonna load up your bag on any of the following projects. That pretty much wraps up the video. Like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. And until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.